Okay, a parallelogram has a perimeter of 84 inches and one of its sides measures 16 inches. If it can be determined, what are the lengths in inches of the other three sides? I don't have to do this, but I'm going to sketch out a terrible parallelogram. So here it is. There we go. And I know one side is 16. The other side opposite it has to be 16. And these two unnamed sides have to have the same length. I can determine that. So I can rule out K as an answer. It's going to be not that complicated to figure this out. So what it's going to turn into is the two sides that I know plus the two that I don't will equal 84. And if I subtract 16 and 16 from both sides, I'm going to get 2x equals 52. And then if I divide by 2, I'm going to get x equals 26. So my sides are going to be 16 and 16 and 26 and 26, which means my answer would be H. I want to talk about another way to approach this. This is a strategy that works pretty well sometimes. Not terribly effective on this one, but it does work. I know these numbers all have to end in a 4. They have to add up together and end in a 4 because the perimeter is 84 and the perimeter is just the distance around my parallelogram. So if I look at the answer G, I'm going to have a number ending in it's like one side is 16 and another side is 16 and another side is 18 and another side is 18. I'm just going to look at the last digits. If I add these together, I'm going to have a number that ends in an 8. 16 plus another 12. Yeah, that's going to end in an 8, which means it cannot be G because the number has to end in a 4. Now, how about looking at J? 6 plus 6, so one side 16, one side 16. The other sides end in a 4 and a 4.